Hi guys, I'm Lorna. Welcome back, and this is my third bump box. I'm pretty excited. I've had my first two bump boxes I've been very pleased with, and the wide range of things that they send me are pretty neat. So I'm excited to see what I get, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. So I've got my little cheat sheet. And this box is worth $120.41, so let's see what I've got. Glow Organics Charcoal Face and Body Mask, activated charcoal with avocado oil. And I believe this is just to help calm your skin, keep all your hormones in check, and just make you feel really pampered. I'll be excited to use that. Bump Life Inhale Exhale No Slip Socks. Probably good to put in the hospital bag. They've got little rubber on the bottom so that you don't slip. And this is post-pregnancy recovery cream, skin firming and cellulite control. Good for use on post-baby skin. Okay, so I should use this after baby is born. Adjustable non-slip headband for when I'm really sweating through that delivery. Super cute. It's kind of a tie-dye color. I like that. And last but not least, okay, what is this? Let me see what this is. Oh, okay, this is a stroller blanket. A full-size stroller blanket, water repellent, machine washable, and dryer safe. Very cool. Yeah, that'll be really nice. Keep everybody dry and happy and comfortable and free of sunshine. Okay. So this is my box. This is my third bump box. And, you know, what I noticed with the first bump box is that it was geared very much towards me as a new mother. And the second box was filled with a lot more items that were for helping organize stuff for the baby and keeping baby happy. And this is, I would say, you know, a little bit for baby, but more for me again, which is nice. And I like all the little, I don't know, a lot of attention to my comfort, which I really like. Again, if you guys want to try Bump Box, there is a link in the video description, a referral code that you can use to sign up for it. And I've just been really pleased with what they've sent me and the little email updates and all the help that they've been. Yeah, if you guys like what you see, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.